For the exam review of Chapter 3, Problem 1D, to find the derivative of the function g, where the function gx is 2 square root x divided by 5x plus 4. So we're going to use the quotient rule because we see the quotient form here. And the quotient rule, the g prime of x, using the form of the high function divided by the low function in the form of low d high minus high d low, draw the line, and then low squared. And on the side notes, we're gonna make a prep work, get the prep work done. By the high function is the function 2 square root x, and the low function is 5x plus 4. The d high, or the derivative of the high, is 2 times 1 over 2 square root x, because the square root x is x to the power 1/2. And 2 will be reduced. And next, we're going to find the d low, or the derivative of the low function. It turns out to be 5. The prep work is done. Then we're going to bring them into the formula using the quotient rule. So the low, which is the expression 5x plus 4 multiplied by the d high, or 1 over square root x, minus psi, the high function, which is 2 square root x, multiplied by the d low, which is the 5, all divided by the low squared, or the quantity 5x plus 4 squared. Now, looks like we have the complex fraction. So I'm going to treat this as 1 over 5x plus 4 quantity squared multiplied by 5x plus 4 divided by square root x subtracted by 10 times square root x, because the division by here, that means the numerator divided by the denominator. And I treat it as the numerator multiplied by the reciprocal of the denominator. Then I'm going to work on simplifying the quantity in the grouping symbol. The first one in a fraction, the second one is not, so I make it as dividing by 1. To find the common denominator is square root x, so I will multiply the last expression by square root x over square root x to have the common denominator. But 5x plus 4 remain where it is. And then with the common denominator, square root x, the numerator, the first expression will be the same, 5x plus 4, and then subtracted by, as you see, square root x times square root x equals x. The second term becomes negative 10x. Simplify the numerator of the expression in the grouping symbol. We're going to get 5x plus 4 minus 10, which is 4 minus 5x. And after that, we just regroup them as one nice looking form of the solution to get the g prime as 4 minus 5x, all divided by the quantity 5x plus 4 multiplied by square root x. Actually, this is power 2. This is power 2. So this is the answer.